The Earth is the most habitable planet in the solar system. It is the only planet that supports life. Because of the damaging human activities, the climate is changing. The global climate crisis is a real-time disruption of daily lives and livelihoods, as well as the destruction of habitats and resources, the loss of critical ecosystems, and the interdependence of non-human and human ecologies. Activities like burning plastics, throwing chemicals on the lake, deforestation, mining, quarrying, and overfishing results to climate change. It can also affect the biodiversity of living things in land, water, and air. If we, humans, do not change our destructive habits, we might lose each and every one here on Earth. We should start in the smallest things that we can do. First, practicing the 3 R's, which stands for reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can reduce the amount of waste that we produce by buying bottled products instead of sachets and using of eco bags instead of plastics. We can reuse materials instead of throwing them away, like reusing old clothes, glass bottles, and such. We can recycle things by transforming it into another form. Example of this is recycling plastic and making it into an armchair, or transforming a plastic bottle into a pencil holder. Second, projects like planting trees and cleaning is another way to preserve our planet. These kind of projects may start in barangays. We can do the planting trees program every month by planting approximately 100 trees. We can also do the cleaning program every week, wherein every resident of the barangay must join to clean the environment. By doing these projects, we can restore the ecosystem that is slowly deteriorating. Third, the government should have a policy wherein manufacturers who are using trees as their raw materials are mandatory to plant a maximum of 200 trees after they cut 50 trees. It takes 3 years to grow a tree, so they must immediately plant after they cut numerous trees. Manufacturers should not go over logging. They must balance the resources to avoid shortage. Overusing the Earth's natural resources will drain the living thing's life. The projects and practices that I have mentioned are only a few. There are still huge projects held by organizations out there, but I am encouraging each and everyone to do those small projects and practices so that we can help to preserve our planet. The things we do today will reflect in the future, because the future is in our hands. We should act now before it's too late. Let the future generation have a better place to live. I am Girly Maybe Reyes. Let's preserve the earth.